love making these chicken parm zucchini boats because they sound super fancy but only have 5 ingredients. While you're cooking the ground chicken on the stovetop, you're going to slice the zucchinis long ways and start scooping out the middle. There's probably a better way to do this, but I just use a spoon. Once your chicken is cooked through, add your favorite spaghetti sauce and stir. Now you're gonna take this mixture and fill up all your zucchinis. Once they're all full, simply sprinkle with some grated Parmesan cheese and top with mozzarella slices. Cover with foil and pop it in the oven for 35 minutes. Follow for more easy meal ideas and enjoy. This is how we make one of our favorite Frugal recipes, white corn tortilla tacos. This is one of the quickest and easiest recipes we make. First, you brown the meat and add taco seasoning of your choice. We use a half packet because my husband doesn't like spicy food. I cut up some onions to top the tacos off with. I chop up some fresh cilantro and I put that right into the meat. Then we use the white corn tortilla tacos, generic from Kroger. Fill them up with the meat, sprinkle with some cheese, add onions, and dinner is on the table. Another quick and easy idea for dinner tonight. Cook and cut your chicken into cubes, lay out some flatbreads, add some barbecue sauce, some cheese, and pineapple does go on pizza, guys. Add your chicken and pop it in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Top it off with some chopped red onion and enjoy. This is one of our absolute favorite easy recipes, French dip sandwiches. Really easy to double or multiply for a large family or gathering. It's great for busy moms because you can just throw it in the crock pot for 8 hours on low. All you have to do when it's done is shred the meat with a fork or mixer. Serve it on an onion roll or a French baguette, and you can use some of the juice to dip the sandwich in. Add mozzarella or provolone cheese and melt in the broiler on high for about 2 minutes. Pot taco chili is one of our favorite cheap and easy recipes. The kidney and pinto beans are super cheap and you can make it your own by adding your favorite seasonings and toppings. The only prep ahead you need to do is browning your meat, and then you're gonna throw it in the crock pot with your beans, sauce, all your spices and seasonings. Stir everything together and add a little water if it seems like it's too thick. Set your crock pot to 4 hours on low and let it cook. You could easily make a huge batch of this on Sunday and eat it all week. You can grab this recipe and others and a sample Frugal meal plan for free